So a couple years ago, my wife started coughing up these little nuggets. We weren't sure what they were, so we put them online. And honestly, nobody knew what they were. Because back then, tonsil stones weren't even a thing. She went to the doctor, to the ER, and nobody knew what they were, and they didn't seem to care. The internet medical community seemed to note that they had this problem too. Jennifer could take a toothbrush, swipe her tonsils, and these would come out. The thing was, the toothbrush was too abrasive and it would cause bleeding in her tonsils, and she didn't want that, so we picked up a lighted medical pick and we were able to extract them pretty easily. The picks themselves are pretty easy to use. They're soft enough to where you can touch the tonsils, but obviously you just want to be gentle. Your tonsils are very, very delicate parts of your body. What's interesting is that dozens and dozens of other creators started posting their similar videos on the internet as well. Apparently, she wasn't the only person who got these. After consulting an ENT, he said it may be time, due to her allergies that likely caused this in postnasal drip, that she needed her tonsils out. So last week, her mom came down and we took her to get her tonsils out. She's currently taking a nap in the other room, but before she took that nap, I took this quick video to show you how she's healing up. And you can see that's essentially the scab in the back of her throat from where they removed the tonsils. So go ahead and comment below. Did you hear of these 4 or 5 years ago? Did you know what they were back in the day? Because it was new to us, and it was new to a lot of people. But nowadays, they're almost commonplace. Everyone's heard of these now. I'll put a link in the description below to one of these fine, multi-purpose lighted picks. Pick one up. They're from Amazon. You're going to love them. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. Oh yeah, and leave Jennifer some kind words as she recovers.